I just arrived in the Placho Nosci. Actually, now I'm going to the Rinek, the Stari Rinek, the old town, the market square over there. And this is my daily video. So yes, I will walk and show you how it is during a November holiday, because yesterday was a holiday actually. And yeah, let's see how it is in the Stari Rinek. Seems like it's busy. We are in Marcin Street, and this is how is the walking street going to Rinek. Yes, it's cold, but many people are out. It was a beautiful sunny this afternoon. There is a church actually, and that's in front of me. The red building is the Zamek, and that's in the front over there is the museum. And yeah, we are going to the Stari Rinek. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Alright, so I need to fix my camera first. It's cold, freezing cold actually. I already dressed up like onion. Okay, my husband always said like I have to dress up like onion, like you know, many layers on my body. Okay, so today is I think that's Saturday, and then still holiday of the Wszystkich Świętych, like All Saints Day holiday. And yesterday many Polish people actually going to the cemetery, like you know, I explained to you in the previous videos, and a various series and a solemn day. And now mostly, like you know, people are going to the restaurant, having a family time together. And today I decided to go to the Stari Rinek old market square, and because I think that my husband said that nearly almost 1 month later on will be the Christmas market here in the square. So I cannot wait to see that actually. I think that now the day is shorter. You know, the sunset is actually at 5 p.m. or something like that. And yeah, some of the restaurant put the chairs already inside because it's obviously it's colder now. And I'll stroll around. I like to stroll around in the Stari Rinek. It's just a totally a different types of the apartment buildings or kamienica here. I was in the Kraków, I was in Gdansk, and I was in Torun before. So what I see is that Poznan is the most cutest one. I like the design of the, you know, the kamienica, and the most Instagram worthy that I see, and most colorful one. And some restaurant, of course, still put the chairs outside. And yeah, this is how actually it looks. During the Saturday, the fountain. And then many restaurants already put the heating outside, so if you sit next to it, you will feel warmer. And how, look at this kamienica. See, it's just colorful, simple and colorful. I never bored of this. Yeah, it's just, I feel like this only in the, you know, in Poznan, like this style of the kamienica. You see the arts. I'm saying like this because nowadays I really you know, into the arts, and I really like learning about so many arts. And also I'm teaching art at school. And yeah, people taking pictures. Oh, and this costume and this church, it is a different vibe. Yeah. And of course the goat. This is the symbol of the Poznan city, the goat one. I keep walking and walking. Yeah. Oh, you see? I don't know whether you agree with me about the design of the Kamienica here. Colorful and artistic, tak? Oh. Okay. See, normally at the restaurant, chairs outside, but simply it's just like cold nowadays. Look at this flower shop. It's just simply cute. Yeah, it's not, I guess that it's not as busy as what I expected. Yeah. It's just because of Poznan is not tourist city. Obviously, it is not tourist city. Ah, the clock tower on the top. And souvenir shops on the left. Okay. So one thing is that maybe because of this holiday, many Poznanian, many people actually going out of the Poznan city. Even like our Wujek going to the ocean in the North Poland. One thing that I realized is that many people are sitting inside the restaurant mostly because of the cold, you know. And then also when walking, just like this, it's not as a pack, probably like in Krakow or any other tourist cities. But for me, it's just simply more enjoyable. So this is how actually the Stary Rynek, the old market square. I just more focus on the design of the Kamienica. It's just cute. For me, it's cute. And it's not as packed as any other cities. Not like in the Krakow or Wrocław. But simply, just nice. Especially like this one. I think this one is my most favorite one. This Kamienica. And this one. It's just simply cute and artistic. People mostly going to the Stary Rynek for restaurants, sightseeing, just like this. It's my favorite city so far in Poland. Is not as crowded like a big city in Wrocław or Krakow. I never been to Warsaw before. I only went to the lotnisko or to the airport, and Damian and I plan to go to Warsaw also następny razem next time. And yeah, I think that Warsaw is the last city that we would like to see how it is. But simply, I just like the friendliness of the Poznanian people here. And what I see is that, you know, even like you walk in the Rhinek like this, you still enjoy your time. And simply like you feel safe and nobody try to approach you, and you know, it's just simply enjoyable for me. It's just simply my favorite one. Even the small street, I can see that it's not as packed. I feel like I need to go to buying coffee somewhere. At 4, the market is already closed. This is the flower shop. That's the traditional market. I don't know, maybe I will try to have a coffee there in the corner. I decided to have a short cappuccino and buying a pizza here. Really, it's not as busy as the previous days. I don't know, maybe it's cold, but it's just simply weird for me. Nice flower shop. I have my hot prosciutto pizza and hot cappuccino in this shop. Very nice. Huge portion. So I already finished my pizza and then it's getting dark. Yeah, I will go home soon. I think that's all my video today. Very short, just little bit update about what's happening in the Stary Rhinek and then how it is live in Poznan. It's 4:30 actually, and I think that already sunset time. And the cities. I'm on the way home, and 4:45 is already dark like this. It's really interesting to live in a 4-season countries during autumn, because I think that at the beginning, later on in November will be winter soon. Maybe the day will be shorter. 4 p.m. already, 5 p.m. sorry, the day is already dark like 7 or 8. Just simply interesting. Yes, simply like, you know, 5 p.m. already dark like this. It's my first experience, like, you know, when last time summer the day is very long, 9 p.m. still bright, but now during the almost winter the day is shorter. Interesting. If I only live in tropical countries, day and time always the same, but this one is my first experience. We're like, wow, already home. I will cook for dinner. Damian's coming home soon.